students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Last class we have completed up to chapter 3. I believe that you all have done the homework which I have given for your work. Chapter 1 to 3. Today, let's start our subject GK. Chapter 4, page number 8. Please open your book and pay your keen attention towards this all classes. Okay? Chapter 4, remarkable Indian monuments. Okay, remarkable Indian monuments. That means Smaran. Give below are picture and descriptions of some of the most interesting places in India. Identify and name the pictures. In below, there are pictures. There are 6 pictures are given. We have to find out the name. Okay? Here, question number 1. This is a temple in the shape of a chariot drawn by 7 horses. Chariot means Rath. Okay, this one is one of the temple in the shape of chariot. Just shape of chariot. मतलब इसका shape कैसे chariot का समान है और रथ का समान है. Drawn by 7 horses. Answer is, anyone can say the answer? Yes, answer is Konark Sun Temple. Question number 2. This is a famous temple of the Sikh at Amritsar, Punjab. It was built by Guru Ram Das. This temple was in Punjab at Amritsar. Okay, you had to find out the name of this temple. I will give that answer. Answer is Golden Temple. Answer, Golden Temple. 3. Located near Aurangabad, Maharashtra, it is one of the largest rock-cut monastery temple cave complex in the world. This temple is in Maharashtra. Which place name is Aurangabad. This one is the largest rock-cut monastery temple cave complex in the world. Monastery मतलब क्या है? Means people they are living together as a in spiritual realm. Ashram. Monastery. Okay. What is the answer of this question? Ellora cave. Question number 4. This is the biggest mosque in India. It was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. Everybody knows, right? What will be the answer? This is the biggest mosque in India, built by Shah Jahan. Answer is Jama Masjid. Jama Masjid. Yes. Next, 5th question. Located in New Delhi. This is a temple of Baha'i faith, a monotheistic religion. This temple is in Delhi. Okay. This temple is Baha'i faith. Monotheistic means believing only one God, not more gods, believing only one God. That kind of religion is there. Answer is Lotus Temple. Answer is Lotus Temple. 6th question. One of the oldest surviving monuments of the Buddhist times, it contains relics of the Buddha. Okay, this one is one of the oldest surviving monument. Okay, this one is very old. Sanchi Stupa. Sanchi Stupa. Yes. I hope you all understood this question answers and this chapter. If you have any query, you can ask to our query group. Understand? Next, we will go to the next chapter, chapter number 5. Film genre. A film genre specifies the category to which a film belongs to. Given below are some movie posters. Match them with their correct genres. Okay, genres means categorizing the artist. Okay, categorizing the artist. मतलब क्या है? Dividing. First, we see the picture. What is the picture? Can you see? Picture? You can see your book, chapter 5, page number 10. First picture you see, Arts of Ultron or Avengers. You have to find out which kind of film this. Answer is action. It's an action movie. Okay, answer will be action. Option number 3. Second picture you see. Can you see the picture? In the picture writing like that, Finding Nemo. Okay, all the small children, small kids, they used to see this kind of pictures or movie. Answer will be animation. Option number A, animation. Third question. See the picture, third picture. Golmaal again. In the picture it is written Golmaal again. What is the answer of this picture? Which genre specify this one? Answer will be comedy. D. All you like comedy, right? It's a comedian film. This one is a comedy film. Next, question number 4. In 4 picture you see Bahrao Mastani, right? It is written on the picture. See the picture. What will be the answer? Can you say? Answer will be historical. This one is historical. Itihas. Okay. Next. Question number 5. You see the picture. You see the picture and give the answer. This one is a horror. It is very threatening movie. Horror. Small children cannot see this kind of feeling because it is very fearing. Horror. Next. Question number 6. See the picture. Answer will be thriller. Answer will be thriller. I hope you understood this chapter. This one is about the film genre. Okay. That means you have to categorize all the film in different ways. First already we had completed. First we see this different kinds of films we can see. Animation, horror, action, comedy, thriller, historical. These are the kinds of films. Understand? Yes. I hope you all understood this chapter. If you have any queries, you can send message to our WhatsApp group. Okay. Your homework will be only 2 chapters, 4 and 5. Okay. Thank you. God bless you. Next class we will see coming Monday.